Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make the text bigger in Windows 11. So let's say you're struggling to read the text on like these icons here on the desktop or in the Windows menu. I'm going to show you how to sort it. Select the Start menu, then select Settings from the Pin section. If you don't have your settings here, you can right click on the Start menu and find them here in this pop-up menu. So now we have our settings up. What you need is System, then Display, then come down to Scale and Layout, and then you want to select Scale, and here you'll see Text Size. We can go into this, then you'll have a slider bar here which you can press and make bigger. And the text size preview is here above. So let's say we're happy with this. You can press apply. And as you can see, all the text within Windows, including these icons and on the menus, are made bigger. You can adjust it to your needs and just press apply. So that's how to make the text size bigger in Windows 11. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.